Discover the power of valuable connections with Vitexacom's two-way radio systems. Designed for resilience and reliability, these devices ensure your team remains united, even in the most challenging situations. Splash-proof, dust-proof, shock-proof with lasting battery life, Vitexacom provides safety through seamless communication. PTT radios enable instant communication between users, which is vital for businesses that require quick coordination. Enjoy national coverage and unlimited talk time, delivered to you on your own dedicated, private channels. Tailor your communication settings with ease using different channels for specific teams or departments, enhancing communication and minimizing the risk of miscommunication. Enjoy cost savings, eliminating the need for expensive hardware and infrastructure, making it a cost-effective choice for team communication. Empower your team with advanced communication features. Benefit from real-time location tracking, emergency alerts, and call recording capabilities, ensuring enhanced safety and efficient communication. Additional available features includes having the ability to automate your guard patrol activities, from setting up automated patrol schedules linked to RFID tags to receiving a full report for each site's patrol activities at the end of each shift. Prioritize your communication needs. Experience the power of PTT radios and unlock the potential of efficient communication. Get in touch with Vitexacom and let us show you how we can improve your communication. Our services and support is available countrywide.